नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम मई सेकेंड वीक के करेंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। मई फर्स्ट वीक के करेंट अफेयर्स को अपलोड किया जा चुका है। आई बटन पर उसका लिंक आ गया होगा, आप उसको पहले देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए इसी के साथ ये वीडियो अब शुरू करते हैं। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु इन टॉप वर्ल्ड्स 50 ग्रेटेस्ट लीडर्स लिस्ट फॉर 21 रिलीज बाय फॉर्च्यून मैगजीन। So correct answer is B. Jacinda Ardern. She is Prime Minister of New Zealand and capital of New Zealand is Wellington City. Okay, Wellington City. Next question है हमारा, Who named COP26 People's Advocate? Correct answer is A. David Attenborough. Okay. Next, which country first in the world to ban all synthetic cannabinoid substance? Correct answer is B. China. China's capital is Beijing and president of China is Xi Jinping. Okay. Next, which state police launched drive mission Hosla? So mission Hosla launched by Uttarakhand police. Okay. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is T.S. Rawat. Tirath Singh Rawat. Okay. Next, RBI cancel license of which cooperative bank in West Bengal over inadequate capital regulatory non-compliance? So correct answer is A. United Cooperative Bank. Cooperative Bank. Okay. Next, the country's retail inflation measured by the Consumer Price Index is to how much percent in month of April? So correct answer is A. 4.29%. 4.29%. Next, care rating estimated India's GDP in FY20. So care rating estimated India's GDP is 9.2%. A. 9.2%. Next, who has been appointed to the Executive Committee of the International Council for Advertising Self-Regulation? So correct answer is A. Manisha Kapoor. Manisha Kapoor. Next, Google Pay users in the United States can now transfer money to app customers in which of the countries? Correct answer is A. India and Singapore. Google Pay users of US now can transfer money to app customer is India and Singapore. Okay. Next, HDFC projected India's GDP for financial year 22. So correct answer is D. 10%. HDFC projected India GDP 10%. Where is the headquarter of HDFC Bank? So correct answer is Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai. Next, Geojit has inked a pact with which bank recently? So Geojit inked pact with Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank's headquarters is New Delhi, and CEO of Punjab National Bank is S.S. Mallikarjun Rao. S.S. Mallikarjun Rao. Next, who has been appointed MD and chairman of BPCL? BPCL stands for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. So A. Arun Kumar Singh is appointed MD and chairman of BPCL. Next, which company has launched an all-electric motorcycle brand called Livewire? So correct answer is A. Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson. Next, which state UT's police launched helpline Kobe Van to help senior citizens? So correct answer is A. New Delhi. New Delhi police launched Kobe Van to help senior citizens. Who is the present CM of New Delhi? So Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal. Next, which bank has launched I Choose My Number for its customers across India? So correct answer is B. Jan Small Finance Bank. Next, the United Nations has estimated India's GDP for financial year 22. So, United Nations projected India GDP A 10.1%. Where is the headquarter of United Nations? So, correct answer is New York. New York. Who is the head of United Nations chief? So, Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres. Which institute has been conferred Green Urja Award? So, correct answer is A. IREDA. IREDA means Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. Okay. Next, Puducherry has achieved 100% top water connection in rural areas under which mission? So, Puducherry achieved 100% top water connection in rural areas under A. Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission. Next, Indian navies with which nation conducted passes exercise in अरबियन सी? भारत और किस देश की नेवी अरबियन सी में नेवी पैसेज एक्सरसाइज कंडक्ट कर रही है? सो करेक्ट आंसर है डी, इंडोनेशिया। भारत और इंडोनेशिया के बीच, इंडोनेशियन नेवी के बीच पासेक्स एक्सरसाइज नाम से एक्सरसाइज होती है। ओके। नेम द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट इंटेलिजेंट शिप सेट टू नेविगेट अक्रॉस द अटलांटिक ओशियन। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, मे फ्लावर 400। मे फ्लावर 400। Who sworn as new administrator of NASA? NASA stand for National Aeronautical Space Agency. So, administration shown as Bill Nelson. Bill Nelson is new administrator of NASA. NOMRA projected Indian economy grow at how much percent in 21-22? So, NOMRA projected 10.8%. According to NOMRA, Indian economy will grow at 10.8% in 21-22 year. Okay, financial year. Next, who has been appointed CEO of National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited? So, correct answer is A. Padma Kumar M. Nair. Okay, Padma Kumar M. Nair. Moody's estimated India's GDP for financial year 22. So, Moody estimated India's GDP 9.3% for financial year 22. Which institute released a report titled Connected Commerce Creating a Roadmap for a Digitally Inclusive Bharat with MasterCard? So, Niti Aayog released this report. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? So, PM, Prime Minister of India, and present CEO of Niti Aayog is Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed which of the following as executive director? So, correct answer is A. Jose J. Cator. Okay. I don't know what is the correct pronunciation of his name, but Cator is I present. Next, which bank launched a chatbot EVA on Common Service Center's digital Seva portal to support village level entrepreneurs? So, correct answer is B. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. Which state has launched Aro scholarship program of C. Aurobindo Society for all the students of the state? So, correct answer is A. Tripura. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Okay. And CM of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Dev. Next, who has been elected for prestigious National Academy of Sciences in recognition of his distinguished and continuing achievements in original research? So, Shankar Ghosh elected for this award. Next, who has been appointed National President of FICCI Ladies Organization FLO? So, correct answer is A. Ujjwala Singhania. Ujjwala Singhania. Which app has unveiled COVID-19 vaccine finder tool? Correct answer is Paytm. Paytm headquarter in Noida, and founder of Paytm is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Which company get RBI approval for prepaid payment business? Correct answer is Bajaj Finance. Which app launched for psychological counseling for students and parents of CBSE affiliated schools? Correct answer D. Dost for Life. Who has been won Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival? Correct answer A. Anupam Kher. Who scaled Mount Everest for 25th time? A. Qaumi Rita. So I am ending this video. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day.